Hey Jason, want to take a picture for me? Sure. Just of the train when it goes by, because I got in the
With you guys like in the foreground?
No, you don't have, not us, just take a picture of the train.
Alrighty. Okay.
Whatever, best you can, doesn't matter. We've taken pictures of it going the other way. But I don't want to be distracted holding him.
Right, yeah, I got you.
Here it comes.
There's a ghost too.
Here comes Katie.
There's a skeleton. Hurry up, Katie!
Do you want to take pictures?
Here comes the train!
Hear it. Do you hear it? Here it comes.
Here comes the train, Jonathan.
Here it comes.
Here comes the train.
You made it, Katie.
Look, Katie, you got the
Here
comes the train.
He's taking a picture for us.
Well, you do it. I'll watch them.
Okay.
Because you want to get better pictures, probably.
Yeah, perfect.
Hey, guys, you want to sit down? Why don't you sit down, buddy? Oh, my gosh. Well, you're like running from the
Did you hear the whistle and you're like, oh no.
Woo-woos. Woo-woos.
You okay, Buggy? You staying down there?
Here comes the train, Jonathan.
Here it comes.
Woo-woos.
Cheese.
Buddy, up the head. Don't fall.
Here it comes.
Yeah, I'll get it.
You think?
I got a good picture. I got a good framing picture right here.
I'm recording HD video.
Listen how quiet it got. You think we're excited after waiting forever and never?
Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. We're pretty good until those people flee.
They're running off the track now.
Incoming!
Here comes the train, Jonathan.
You see it?
Here comes the train, buddy.
Oh, I think Jonathan pooped.
Did he?
Yeah. Can you see it?
Now you gotta go get the petties.
That was awesome.
Come on, Katie.
Come on, Katie.
Go get it. Get the pennies. Wait.